Welcome to Artificial Intelligence Hub. Today I'm gonna show you a demo how to rotate a screen using Python. So I already wrote a code here, so I'm gonna tell you how the code is working. So here we need to import two libraries from tkinter, import static, and from rotate screen. These two libraries needed, and then we have to make a function screen rotation and pass a variable here. So you can see this is the function. It's within a for if else statement up. When we press up button, so it will call this one. When I press down button, it will call this function, so it will rotate the screen, and this go to the end. After that we are creating, and geometry means 100 by 100 the screen. So this is the whole code. First of all, I have to run this code, so you need to install this library for performing this operation on Windows operating system. I'm gonna install this one, pip install this library. So after that, after installing this library, I got some error, so I have to install it again. So you need to install this library. So I'm gonna click rotate screen. So this is the main syntax for installing this library. I'm gonna copy this one and minimize this, and after that I'm going to here and paste it here. So this time make sure it will work. Rotate hyphen and the screen. So it's installed successfully. Now I'm going to run this code again. So you can see the code is running. When I press up left, so here the code is upper, so the Windows upper. When I press the right, you can see the screen is going to be right. When I press, oh, I'm sorry for that, mouse is going down. So this is how it's working. So I'm facing a little bit hard to up. So this is the screen, how you're going to rotate a screen using this code. So this is the UI interface. You can press left, right, up, down. The screen will be rotated according to this. So how the code is going to work? So here is the loop. So this loop, this is the function. We have created this function, and after this function I'm just calling rotate screen dot, using this rotate screen dot get primary display. So if temp, so where this is taking the variable from the user, when temp is equal to up, it's mean when the user press up, screen dot set landscape, it will landscape. When the user will press right, it will get portrait lift flipper. When the user press left, it will show landscape flitter. So this is the code. So here some tkinter to create a tkinter GUI. So we have to use this. So after that, variable class in tkinter, here is a variable class in tkinter. Here are some buttons. So this button, calling this button, taking some commands. Lambda is equal to, you can pass lambda, you can remove, and you can whatever you want. So yes, you can also pass a simple functions here. Command is equal to screen rotate, so it will automatically call this function and pass this variable to this function. A temp, so temp will be up, and background of this button is white, and dot grid, it will show on the grid row 0 and column 3. The next one also, so temp is right, so it will pass the right arguments though. So right will call this function. If this match with this function, it will call this one, so on. The next one is left, so it will calling the left, and the last one is down, so it will call the down option. So when you run, you can see this one is, so when I run the right, it will show into the right. So it is quite a bit harder for me to reach again here. Let me do it. I'm trying to make it uppercase. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will upload this code on my GitHub repository you can download this code, so I will mention the link in the video description below. And thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.